product that I bought a while ago at Monumento, SM City Central, Grand Central rather, is this perfume right here. It's a roll-on perfume. Basically you roll it on your skin and then you smell good like magic. And it's also travel friendly and bag friendly, purse friendly, and friendly. Best friends forever, best friends forever. Yeah, so the brand name is Miniso. Here, right here, Miniso. And Mikko, M-I-K-K-O, is the type of product, or the title of the product. And basically what I want to find out is from which country did Miniso originated from. Miniso, right? So here is Miniso a Japanese or Chinese brand? Miniso Group Holding Limited. Simplified Chinese. Holding Limited trading as Miniso is a Chinese retailer variety store chain that specializes in household and consumer goods, including cosmetics, stationery, toys, and kitchenware. So it's from China. Featuring IP design. I wonder what's IP. Is it IP? Industrial. I don't know what's IP. Hold on. Founded in 2003 by Ye Guofu. Its headquarters are in Haizu District, Guangzhou. Hey! Guangzhou is familiar. I see that all the time at the estimated delivery tracker at Shopee. Guangzhou. Variety store. Different products, variety. Miniso has expanded outside of the Chinese market. It's from China. Yes, yeah. And operates over 7,000 stores, including designer toy brand Top Toy. Stores in 6,860 Miniso stores in Asia, Europe, Oceania, Africa, North America, and South America. Nakakatuwa! The store, Miniso store and Miniso store is pretty cute, and their products are very fun and entertaining. I love Miniso's perfumes. And Sustainalytics. Oh wait. By a variety store, also 5 and dime. That was his history. Pound shop or dollar store is a retail store that sells general merchandise such as apparel. Dollar store, apparel, auto parts, dry goods, toys, hardware, furniture, and a selection of groceries. From a dollar store, you could get a nail cutter and a peel cutter. Yeah. That's so fun. The 99-cent store. Yeah. You could buy some trinkets and some abubuts from there. Oh my god, how cute are those kind of stores? The dollar store, the American Old Bazaar, the 99-cent, and Miniso and Mamaso. Dollar Tree. So here you open the rolling perfume, the rolling, the roll-on perfume, the rolling perfume, the rolling perfume. Wait, hold on, sorry. So we just have to remove the plastic from the container, the cylindrical glass container of this perfume, and wait, hold on. Mikko Mini, oh de you the perfume pink. Mikko Mini, you the perfume rose. It's so cute. Look at the kitty cat. Look at the small kitten. She's holding a heart. Oh wait, no, it's a book. It's a book with a heart on it. How cute. Oh yeah, about this here, the 12 months, the 12 number you see, 12M, it means with a lid in the container, and then it says on the container 12M, that means 12 months. Your product expires in 12 months from before you bought the product and open it and use it. 12 months after it's expired already. But I don't practice buying new makeup, even if they are what they say expired. I use them still. I don't believe in expiration, and that's the same with chocolates. Only in chocolates. I tried tasting truffle chocolates before. They're expired. And yeah, this one smells so good. Oh, it's not a roll-on anymore, it's spray. That's confusing. Or maybe their old style is roll-on and now it's spray. Or was it at the other branch of Miniso? Yeah, it's at the other branch, the roll-on. Please disregard the roll-on perfume that I mentioned a while ago. It's spray, it's not roll-on. My bad, my mistake. Yeah, so you spray on and then rub it, and then spray on some of near your wrist, and do this, or just spray all over. Now I smell like rose, and I smell like rose and pinky rose. Do you like my hair? Should I change it, or I don't know if I should cut my hair. Wait, no, I will grow it out. Yes, I'll grow it out. Thanks. So this is Mikko. Mikko by Miniso. Mikko credits goes to Mikko Illustrations. Maybe the Mikko could be the name of the artist who illustrated this cute kitty cat right here. Mikko. Maybe that's his last name or first name, or maybe It's the name of the company who designed and illustrated the image that's in front of the perfume. Magnifique! Now smell me. I smell so weird. Smells rose. We don't usually smell like rose. Tee! Oh my god. I used to watch Ryan Higa from Nigga Higa. Tee! I'm still a fan. Pissa. Bye. Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite.